Hey everybody, Carl here from App, and we've got another brand new TV here from Sony. It's the X800G model, and we're going to open up the box and take a look and see what comes inside. And first step here is to cut through the tape on the top. So we're gonna do that. And I didn't bring my knife with me today, so we're gonna use the scissors. Not ideal, but it works. And then we'll open that up, take a look and see what comes on the top. So right off the bat, we've got a part of the pedestal with some screws. Then there is the setup guide, which I'm opening like a savage here. And some more stuff that has kind of fallen through the crack here. This looks to be kind of an accessory thing. This part is really heavy. I'm assuming this is more of the pedestal. And we've got our remote control here in the middle and some literature, and it looks like an IR blaster and some batteries. And then lastly, it looks like another part of the pedestal. So we'll take those off, put them to the side. And because this is a 65-inch TV, you're going to want to have a second person here. There are now some clips on the bottom that we'll take off by pinching and pulling forward. There's two on the back, two on the front. Thankfully, Tom's here to help out. So we'll take those off. And the box just slides off. Thank you, Tom. And then that looks to be it for accessories. So we're gonna get this all set up on the pedestal, and we'll be right back to show you guys what the screen looks like. All right, and that's all there is to it. We've got the pedestal on here. We've got some footage up here for you to take a look at. So far, it looks pretty good. If there's anything you guys want to see specifically about this TV, make sure you leave it down in the comments so we can try and address all of that. As always, we appreciate you checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe so you get the updates whenever we upload that new content.